Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So if this is your first time checking out one of my videos or my channel, do me a favor and go ahead and hit that big button below. Yep, the subscribe button, and right next to it is a little bell. Click that bell and a menu will open up. It says all. Click all, because anytime that I put out any new content, YouTube will notify you to let you know that, hey, Ryan DePaul just put out a new video and you liked this last one, so you might want to check this one out too. So with that, we're going to jump right into this video. It's kind of a follow-up from my last video, but if you, like I said, if it's your first time checking it out, this is a new video to you. So we're going to be talking about the new updated, let's go with that one, updated analytics for the Nowsite website and platform. And so we're going to show you, I'm going to show you what it does, what it can do, not into, well, we'll go detail for it, and what capabilities it has for you, and why this is a huge thing, a big thing for you. So first, we're going to start with this. We're in the analytics section, and as you can see, these are some of my websites I have right here that I've created in the platform with their website builder. That'll be another video that you can check out on my channel. This right here is a site that I created for a different company, and this is, you can go by week, you can go by check your analytics for a month, all time, custom, and yeah, so it's pretty cool. So this right here is actually a little section that says select team member, so I can actually check the analytics for my team. So for instance, if I have a team, I'm going to do more detailed one on that one, but I just want to go on to the let you guys know what it's for. If I have a team, let's say I'm running a team for a business, or I have my own company that I have people using the app for, I can actually track them or see what they're doing to help them be successful with what I need them to be successful with, or what they want to be successful with, either or. So depending on what kind of business or what kind of industry you're involved with. So this is a great, you can look at as accountability, you can look at it as a support system, you can look at it as whatever you want to, but this can help you out. That feature, that little section right there alone. So if I click on this and type, and it'll pull up the team for what is this? Trinot. It will generate the people that's on my team, and update. There we go. So it's generating. It's trying to generate the list of the names, and that's fine. It could, but I haven't used this team in a while. So, for this app, for this team in a while. So it'll probably take some time to generate. So I'm going to actually go to the next thing. Scroll down. You can actually attach artificial intelligence, AI. So they have a feature in there that will actually help generate and do things for you, and I'll show you that in another video. This right here just tells you the results of it. So audience building this week, I really haven't done anything with this one. So these are contacts that has been entered overall, not just for this site, for overall. So I got over 9,000 contacts in this platform. Leads, that's when they say contact, I mean leads. So this is a lead generating platform. So like I said, I haven't done anything with it this week, but total interest for something else I've been doing, 4 total interests. They have the newsletter, editing blog, so this is actually for Facebook, because they're incorporating LinkedIn, Twitter, LinkedIn. They said something about Instagram. I'm not sure 100%. Don't quote me on that one, but for sure it's going to be Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. And you can actually see where's the leads coming from. You can see where the interest, the audience is being built from, how many people clicked on, how many website visitors, how many blog visitors, how many people read your blog, what else? Social media followers. So it comes very detailed. You also can see it sort of a little bit down here underneath my picture. I'll pull this over a little bit. Coming soon, retargeting ads. You can see how, because they also have retargeting ads. We'll go over that in another video. But this right here is a great tool, because without data, you can't see what you're doing. You kind of like just throw, it's like throwing mud at a wall, hoping it sticks. So with the data, you can see what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong. This one it's not the best, I would say, example to show you the data, but this is what it does. So it actually has the layout, and it shows you. So you actually have a legend right here. It tells you they're trending. So you can say that it's increasing, it's steady, or decreasing. So no red, so that's good. This right, actually no, here's a red right here. So this week is decreasing because I didn't do anything with this website or to attract any kind of audience or leads for this website. That's fine. Gotta have a lot of irons in the fire. But I can turn AI off or on this one, and it's pretty cool. So that's a great thing. So that's the analytics section. Pretty great thing. A pretty awesome feature. This is still going, so we won't talk about that. I'll do another video separately on that one because that's how important that section is. They could just be updating it, and that's fine. But let's see if I can actually switch this for a month. See if that works. Yes, it does. That's pretty cool. Okay, cool. We're gonna do something on the fly. See how custom it is. So I can actually pick the time frame. So that's nice. And I can go from a month to 2 months to weeks to whatever the date to which other date, and go off of that analytic too. Very nice. So detailed analytics. And they constantly improve it and constantly come out with new stuff to make sure that you get all the information and data that you need to be successful with whatever you're doing, whether it's building a brand, whether it's building a business, small business, whether it's helping your team, duplication, retention, whatever it may be. It's here to help you be successful. So yeah, guys, huge important feature when it comes to online marketing and digital marketing. So guys, if you have any questions about this, feel free to give me a call at 925-752-8897. That's my direct line, my personal cell phone. You can either call or text me if you have any questions about this platform or this feature in this platform. Also, we have a big community, about 2,600 plus community members on the elites. That's our team name, with 6 figures and 7-figure earners that you can help you with your business. We not only with this right here, we also have tools and tricks and strategies to help you be successful with this platform. Also with any other business you do to be successful and to make money online. That's what we all want to do, is actually build a business, build a brand, and make money online. So if you have any questions about that and wondering how you can get into that or get access to that, please let me know. I got my number that I put it in the video earlier, and comment below. I'll answer those questions too, or any comments that you put out there. I will respond to them as long as they're legitimate ones, so you can't be spamming. But with that, guys, I'm going to end this video. Hope you got some value from it. And yeah, until the next one, you guys be safe, take care, and be blessed.